Alrighty, my first flight went well. I've been repainted into a modern livery. Anyway, let's speed up and let's fly. My tail. Take off. Ow, my tail. My tail hurts from that takeoff. Bruh. Okay, I have flew all the way to America just to land at San Francisco Airport. Wait, the flaps are... Why are the flaps out? Oh, nitrogen monoxide. The flaps are not supposed to be here. Yay, the flaps are back up. Oh, nitrogen monoxide, now the engine's malfunctioning. Bank angle, bank angle, bank angle, bank angle. Sink rate. Pull up, whoop, whoop, pull up. Oh, nitrogen monoxide going down. Balance out the bank angle. Stall. Look. Stall. You know what? Never mind. You know what? Stall. Bro, how am I gliding still? San Francisco Bridge. And Golden Gate Bridge. Pull up. Glide to the nearest airport. Yes, I have landed. Turns out the San Francisco International Airport was just a stopover. Time for takeoff. Time for the next takeoff. My tail. Pull up. Yay, I am in the air. Okay, now I am flying all the way to St. Martin. Even though I'm not a KLM livery. Over the Golden Gate Bridge again. Why are the brakes on? The brakes are not supposed to work until I'm on the runway. Alrighty, I see St. Martin up ahead. Time to land. Pull out the flaps. Wait. The flaps have been pulled out too soon. I am now descended. Pull up. I got to make hammered. I got to land. Almost there. Oh my. Fuel is only at 30%. Now I really have to land. Oh crap, now it's at 20. Pull up. Fuel is now at 15%. Oh, nitrogen monoxide, pull up now. Fuel only at 10%? Bruh. Come on, I'm almost at St. Martin. I don't want to crash. On my second flight. Turn towards the runway. Ooh. Hey, I landed on the water. Oh wait, never mind, the engines were just malfunctioning. Okay, time to retry that landing. So don't pull the flaps out until later. Okay, pull out flaps now. And the fuel that was running low, that was because the engines were malfunctioning, so that's why I kept going to low speeds of the low fuel earlier. Alrighty, we're almost at the runway. Now it's time to land shortly. We are almost at St. Martin. Hopefully we can apply the brakes in time when we land. Oh my god, get out of the way. Hey, Airbus plane. Oh, nitrogen monoxide, pull up now. Don't crash into the sand or water. That's bad for my propeller. The runway is up ahead. Might land a bit early, but oh well. Now, oh, nitrogen monoxide. This might be a bounce landing before I can apply a brake. Yes. Oh, nitrogen monoxide. I am bouncing again like FedEx 80. Stop. Don't collide into that big scary plane. Owies. I'm feeling fragile due to the bounces. Don't collide with the Airbus ep4. Ouchie, my wing had collided with its landing gear. Somehow my gear is not broken. Now put flaps out to slow the plane down quicker. Why even is a A350 here? It's not even in a KLM livery. Oh well.